the old year is left behind and the new year has appeared. With us, every day is a new day. Every month is a new month. Every year is a new year. The time is moving. Time doesn't stand still even for a moment. It is moving from future into the past through the present. The time is causing things to move. Jagat constantly moving. Nothing is constant in this material nature. Therefore, it's very important to recognize the importance of time, the value of time. Chanakya Pandit said that 1 second, 1 moment of time cannot be purchased with all the wealth of this world. The time that is gone forever. We can't get it back. Therefore, it is very, very important that we utilize our time properly. And utilizing the time properly means using the time being engaged in the service of Krishna. Time is actually Krishna's expansion. Krishna appears in the form of time. Kaloshmi lokokshaya kripa pritha. So it is Krishna's energy. And it's flowing constantly. And in this time, in the river of time, we all are floating. And we should float, because this time, if we float in this time, in the river of time properly, then we can go back to the spiritual world. If we engage ourselves in the service of Krishna, taking advantage of time, which is His own energy, then yes, we can go back to the spiritual world. Time will take us to the spiritual world. And not only take us to the spiritual world, time, when you become engaged in the service of Krishna, then this world becomes spiritualized. Spiritualized means Krishna-centered. The distance between material and spiritual is me and Krishna. When I put myself in the center, that is material. When I put Krishna in the center, that is spiritual. That is the distance. It's actually a distance of consciousness. When I'm self-conscious, then I'm in the material world. When I'm Krishna conscious, then I'm in the spiritual world. Therefore, we should be very, very conscious, very concerned that we don't waste any time. We are floating in the time. Now the question is whether should you go upstream, whether we'll swim upstream or downstream. Swimming upstream is very difficult, very difficult. If we go against time, that is, if we spend our time without being engaged in Krishna's service, then not only it's a waste of time, but it is a very difficult way to deal with time. But when we float in the natural stream of time, then we'll be moving towards Krishna. Therefore, let us take every single moment of our time as it comes with its all newness, to be engaged in Krishna service. Not only the year, but every month, every week, every day, every hour, every minute, every second, every fraction of a second. Let all of that be used in Krishna's service. So this is how time is actually helping us to move towards Krishna, provided we utilize our time properly, provided we flow in the stream of time that is taking us back to Godhead. And the secret is just be Krishna conscious. Think of Krishna, act on behalf of Krishna, simply depending upon Krishna's mercy. I wish you, all of you, a very happy New Year. Let this New Year come with all prosperity and happiness in Krishna consciousness. Let us utilize our time and energy in spreading Krishna consciousness, in pleasing Krishna consciousness. Then only our life will become successful. It's a very simple way to achieve ultimate success. I wish you all the best.